y'all, it's Jen for the Love of Iris. Welcome back to another video. Today's project is this one. It's kind of hard to show. There, that might be good. It's a little holder for a lip balm. A little like knockoff EOS lip balm. This is watermelon and it's actually in the shape of a watermelon. I love it. I found these at my local dollar store. They had pineapple, watermelon, strawberry I think was the other one that I saw. But I thought they were so cute, and my children are obsessed. My daughters are obsessed with lip balm. So I thought I would make them this sweet little treat holder just to give to them. Now I've made a little box down here at the bottom. Let me take this out. Made a little box that holds the lip balm in it, and then just made a wrap and cut out a window so you could kind of see it. And I used the Tasty Trucks stamp set. I know it's retired, I don't care. And I just colored it according to the lip balm. So let's get started. You will need a piece for your base of 4 3/8 by 4 3/8, and we're going to use our envelope punch board for this. You're going to score, well, punch and score, I guess, 1 3/4, punch and score, and 2 5/8. 1 3/4, 2 5/8. Now with the envelope punch board, once you score those two lines, you're going to rotate it and line up this little nib with this score line here. You can see it pretty well with this light. So let's line that up. I'm going to punch and score. You don't follow any of these measurements anymore. Just ignore them. You're going to work on the score lines. So then line it up with the second one, punch and score, and then rotate it and repeat. Line it up with the first line, punch and score, the second line, punch and score, rotate it, line it up with the first line, punch and score, and the second line, punch and score. So you should have a kind of shape that looks like that, a diamond maybe, and it's got two lines on either side. Okay, and we'll go ahead and reinforce our score lines. This is such a simple little box. Oh, actually, before we do that, wait, let's not do that. We need to get our circle die cut in there. So I am going to take the smallest circle from my circle die set. It's about a 1 1/2 inch circle. So get you a 1 1/2 inch circle die, line it up in the middle, and then run this through your die cutting machine. Okay. Now we're going to reinforce our score lines. Almost messed that up, didn't I? I've been messing up a lot of stuff today. I got in a wreck this morning. I rear-ended somebody who was turning onto the highway at a yield sign, and he started to go, so I turned to look to make sure it was clear that I go. Then he changed his mind and stopped. So I plowed right into the back of him. But I drive a big old massive Jeep, and it did not hurt my car at all. Okay, so these little things we're going to turn into tabs, these little squares. So my rule of thumb, up in the rectangle and miter the square. You don't need to miter this side because the punch did it for you. Up in the rectangle, miter the square. Up the rectangle, miter the square. Up the rectangle, miter the square. So, needless to say, it's been a bad day already. Got to work and kept messing everything up there. So I told myself I was just going to go home and craft for the night. We're going to put adhesive on these little tabs here. The 4 little tabs. You can use whatever adhesive you like. I like score tape because it's very strong. All right, and now we assemble our box. You don't need to worry about rounding corners and all that jazz because it's going to be on the bottom, so you're not going to see it. Just line these sides up here like so, and like, oops, like so. Sorry. Okay, this is pouring down rain here again in Alabama. It's been the wettest season I've ever seen. Line that up and pinch it together. Line this up and pinch it together. Is it cold where y'all are? It's February, March, it's March. And it's still not warm enough for me. Okay, on these little triangles, you're going to put adhesive on 3 of them. Just 3, not the 4th one. Because that's going to be the bottom, and you don't want your adhesive to show through. Oh, come on. I should probably use that block trick that I've seen everybody use, but guess what? I don't feel like it. Okay, one more. All right. So let's take off the score tape. Now the piece without any tape on it is going to go first. The rest doesn't matter, whatever order you want to put it in. As long as you put this one down first with no adhesive. Okay, so no adhesive, and I just stick my finger in that hole there and kind of squish it together. No. Now you can fold them all in. And there's your sweet little box. Isn't that cute? All right, let's get out our little lip balm here. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Love it. It's the cutest thing. Okay, now you need a piece of 2 by 11 inch paper of your choice. I picked this one because it had some fruits on it. I don't have any pineapple paper, so this is going to have to do. And then we are going to score this at 4.5 and 6.5. So 4.5 and 6.5. Okay. And then we want to take our tag topper punch, or any punch you like. You can round it or make it a banner, whatever you like. I just think this looks cute, so this is what I'm using. Take that and punch the 2 ends, and then reinforce your score lines, and that creates your little wrap. See? Ha! Stinking cute. All right, now we need to put some adhesive on the bottom here. Let's get some liquid glue so we have a little wiggle room, like the M&Ms. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's getting to be Easter time, so M&M candies are just everywhere, every flavor. See how perfectly that fits in there? Gosh, I just stinking love it. Let's put our pineapple in there. And we'll get some ribbon. I got this white and silver, I don't know, from my stash somewhere. And I'm just going to feed it through and make one of those, you know, loopy things that you do like a tag with. It's kind of something like that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I didn't cut the circle out. Well, we're going to do this one without a circle, without a peeker. And I already colored and cut out You're the Sweetest with pineapple flavor colors. And we're going to stick that on there. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is one without the circle, and this is one with the circle. So which one do you like best? I'm not sure. It's kind of like a surprise. You got to turn it to see. Surprise! And this one you can see right away. Oh well. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.